Welcome everybody to my show. I am your chef, Chef Logan, and I'm also your host. Today we will be learning how to cook Civil War bread. Can you believe that you couldn't even go in your car and go to Pick 'n Save to get the bread? You had to make your own. So today we're going to learn how to make Civil War bread. This is what you need: flour, 2 cups of water, salt, butter, yeast, spoon, and a bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of yeast into 105 degrees to 115 degrees Fahrenheit in water. Set this aside. Now measure out 8 cups of flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 4 tablespoons of butter. Now add the yeast liquid and stir. Don't forget to wash your hands. Now, after you're done washing your hands, and once you can't stir the dough anymore, take the spoon out and mush it together. Now take the dough out of the bowl, split it into 2 parts, and now knead for 5 to 8 minutes. I think that's enough for today. Put the dough in a clean bowl. Then grab a damp cloth or rag and place it under a light. Set the timer for 2 hours. Now it is time to punch the dough. Now that I've punched the dough, we're going to split it into 12 pieces. Now cover and wait for another 30 minutes. Now we're going to put them in the oven. Bread is done, and let's see what it looks like. how you make Civil War bread. In the 1800s, bread was the main staple. If you wanted some, you had to make it. People would think that bread, warm, was unhealthy. They advised you to eat it 1 day old. But today, we think that bread, warm, is the best thing ever. Things were very different with sandwiches. Like us today, we put our sandwich in a Tupperware, put it in the refrigerator if we didn't eat it right away. But back then, if you did not eat your sandwich right away, you had to put lettuce on top of it to keep it from drying out. It was also a rule not to cut the crust from the bread. In the 1800s, they would make tongue sandwich. Yeah, I know, pretty nasty. They also had onion sandwich. It was a rule that you had to put it in a box by itself. Other sandwiches might include tomato and horseradish, baked bean and lettuce, potato sandwiches, olive and chicken liver sandwiches, olive and cottage cheese sandwiches, and olive and green pepper sandwich. Like, why would you even eat that? Like, what?